It's hard to believe that August is already nearly over and that we only have a few months left in the year, but the end of a month means a new spread in my bullet journal. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did my setup for September, and I also have a free printable for you. If you're interested, you can find the link down below to download it. All you have to do is print it out and then cut out all the pieces, and you can use it in your bullet journal or your regular planner or whatever else you want to use it for. I am so excited for fall to come, so I had to do a subtle autumn theme for this printable. My favorite part is probably the little book page quotes that I made. I tried not to go too crazy with the autumn theme because I know it's still a little early, but with the colder weather coming to Seattle, I've just been really in an autumn mood, so I am embracing that. To start out the spread, I cut out all the pieces from the printable and then I played around with arranging them on the pages until I got a layout that I liked. And then I went through my craft supplies and found a few extra things to add, like these shipping tags, which you can find at any office supply store. So on this large shipping tag, I decided to create a little autumn playlist. You guys know that I love adding playlists to all of my monthly spreads, so I had to include this. You'll probably see many more autumn playlists in the next few months in my bullet journal, but I was excited to do this first one. I always get a lot of questions about where I find my washi tape, so a lot of my tape is from the brand MT Tape. They have an online store, which I'll link down below if you want to go check that out. I also find washi tape at craft stores or from Etsy shops or random stationery stores. I've collected mine over the years, so I don't remember exactly where I got all of them, but you can find washi tape at more and more places nowadays as it's getting more popular. The last thing that I added to this monthly spread was a little box where I could write to-dos or important dates to remember for the entire month. And then I finished it off with some little gold stars that I glued on. Next, I started on my weekly page for the first week of September, and I created a little header for the top with some pieces of craft paper and then some other elements from the printable. And then I just glued down the headers for each day of the week. That way I can make a to-do list under each one of those. And then finally at the bottom of the page I added some little decorative elements like one of the book page quotes and that little jar doodle, washi tape, and a few stickers. That's it for my September setup. If you try out the printable, let me know what you think, and if you want me to make more of these in the future. You guys probably already know I have quite a few printables for sale in my shop, but I'm always so excited to be able to offer you something for free, so I will definitely have to make more of these in the future if you guys want them. I hope that you're getting just as excited for autumn as I am. I have lots of fun autumn-themed videos planned, so I can't wait to get started on those. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again really soon.